Today's world runs on data. It powers our decisions, helps us innovate, and it tells us how we are performing. We are Bird Analytics. We help companies get valuable insights from their data. As your data grows over time, you need a reliable system to help you manage it. Using a full-stack data management platform, we start by taking data from any source. Whether you have batched data from existing databases, data streaming through sensors, or real-time transactional events, we process it all. We run your data through a series of quality checks in real time. Using AI and machine learning, we create models from all of your enterprise data. Then, we consolidate it into a high-performance data warehouse. After transforming all of your data, the Bird platform generates models that are specific to your business, using customizable data visualization dashboards. Our natural language processing engine allows you to retrieve real-time insights with a Google-type search interface with one click. Type your questions, get insights. It's that easy. You'll gain access to powerful augmented analytics and automated insights on your data, so you can predict with confidence even without a background in data science. You'll have easy-to-use, self-service-driven dashboards and visualizations that can be effortlessly interpreted by advanced users as well as non-technical individuals. With Bird, your data is always secure, right from the application to the infrastructure level. You control who has access using Bird's advanced data governance capabilities. Take control of your data today and make smarter decisions for your business tomorrow.